Added a few flakes. Officer, are you entertained, officer? Would you like some flakies, Mr. Officer? You know, for only being in this new aquarium for like 10 minutes, you're doing pretty good. Bloop, bloop. You'll have a good time, buddy. We'll see how colorful you get. You're already quite colorful. Yeah. What do you think, Schmitty? Yeah. Am I paying too much attention to the fish? Huh? Huh? Oh, buddy. Oh, oh. Paying a little too much attention to something else? You're the warmest. Alright. Ooh, snacking on flakes again. Now that makes me happy. Absolutely down with the new home. It has this thing, I fill it up to the top. I had to push a bunch of the plants down. But it has a, I know they jump out. It has a little lid thing. And you can feed them through that hole. For a $1 Walmart item, you know,